So I wanted to share with you my results. I have an Etsy shop since 2021, 2.5 years. And my first 2 years, I only sold 26 orders. I only had 26 orders. And last year, from those 26, I only had 13 orders. I've seen that in those 13 orders, I had a conversion rate of 0.5%. And then I started the course 3 months ago. I haven't had all the time that I want to implement all the things from the course, and I'm just in module 3 and 4. And I know that I'm just not even doing everything that I have to do. But the good thing is that in this last 3 months, I've seen a change. I had already 26 sales in these 3 months, which is the complete year, because at the other months of the year, I didn't sell anything. And I have a conversion rate of 1.8, which is triple what I did the last 2 years. And the visits are 1,400, which is half of the visits that I had last year. So I'm really converting those sales. I'm really converting clients with some of the strategies that I'm already putting into place. I love the business mentality of the course. I was lacking that. I really needed to tackle this and to get a grip on it. And now I see how to do it. Even my husband has been able to hear the cha-chings being by my side, and is so enthusiastic to hear about it that he's really believing and understanding that this is possible. So thank you very much for the course, and I really believe that if someone has the possibilities and the strive to do this, they should do the course.